respectively. Connect the network cable to the fiber network adapter and the Ethernet port module of the OEO respectively. Connect the data cable to the fiber network adapter and the computer respectively. Connect the OEO to the power supply. Connect the two multi-mode optical modules to the SFP network adapter and the OEO respectively. Connect the optical fibers to the optical modules on the SFP network adapter and the OEO respectively. Connect the switch to the power supply. Connect the two single-mode optical modules to the OEO and the switch respectively. Connect the optical fibers to the single-mode optical modules on the OEO and the switches respectively. Connect the OEO to the power supply. Insert the two 10-kilometer modules into the SFP network adapter and the OEO respectively. Connect the optical fibers to the two 10-kilometer modules respectively. Insert the two 20-kilometer modules into the OEO and the switches respectively. Connect the optical fibers to the 20-kilometer modules on the OEO and the switches respectively. It can display the various data of the product in real time. Data cable connection. Scan the QR code with your mobile phone to download the app. Mobile application display. Enter the language selection interface. Enter product details page. Real-time monitoring of the device's current, voltage, and temperature. Check the parameters of the F1 port. View the parameters of DDM. Setting the threshold for optical power. Check the parameters of the F2 port. View the parameters of DDM. Setting the threshold for optical power. Data cable connects the computer and the OEO. Search. Web applications display. Enter the language selection interface. Enter product details page. Check the parameters of the F1 port. View the parameters of DDM. Setting the threshold for optical power. Check the parameters of the F2 port. View the parameters of DDM. Setting the threshold for optical power. Real-time monitoring of the device's current, voltage, and temperature. OEO's packet loss test. Traditional OEO requires debugging tools and rely on guesswork for troubleshooting. Now, E-link offers you an intelligent OEO product with LED screen display for real-time monitoring. It can handle forest fire prevention, expressways, rail transit, construction sites, office buildings, and so on with ease. With this product, a single person is equivalent to an entire operation